Hi friends, today I want to show you this case for the iPhone. This iPhone is the 13 Pro Max, and I want to show you these colors and this design that are beautiful, have these golden details. And as you can see, the cell is protected in all the zones, and you can put it so easy. Look, in this corner you just have to do this and ready. Your phone is ready to disinstall the case. The case have these two parts, so your phone is protected in the 360 full body protection, and the material is comfort is made for high durability too. So comes with these protectors. I already put it off so you can protect the plastic that gonna be in your screen. And we're gonna put it again, so you just put your phone in this part, this way, and in this other, ready. And as you can see, my phone works perfectly and looks beautiful, so I highly recommend this case. See you.